In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put an underline here in Canva. Now, this is actually really easy to do. Once you have your text on the canvas, all you want to do is click onto your text, come up to the toolbar just here, where we see this little underline icon. Then if we click on there, this has now been underlined. Now, one thing to note though, the underline is going to be the exact same color as your text. So if we come to the text color and change this to red, it's going to change that underline as well. Now, the one way to actually bypass this and have a different color is by utilizing lines. Now, we can do that by using the keyboard shortcut L on the keyboard, just like that. We can then make this thicker, just like this. We can make it longer as well, just like that. And we can also change this to any color that we want. Now you can also find this in the elements section by coming over to elements, coming to shapes, and then using any of these lines just here. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to put an underline here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.